Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sportage headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, a new H7 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, locate the two retaining clips positioned on top of the headlight assembly. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up the center pins of these clips. Once the pins are raised, you can easily remove the entire clip. With the clips out, gently pull the headlight assembly forward to create enough space to work. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb's electrical connector counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass of your new H7 bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its housing, making sure it's seated correctly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, aligning it properly. Reinsert the two retaining clips, pushing the center pins down to secure the assembly firmly. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.